Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious raw milk kefir at home. First, you will need healthy, active kefir grains, approximately 1 quart of fresh raw milk, a clean glass jar, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cheesecloth. It is important to use non-metal utensils, such as plastic or wood, when handling your grains to prevent any adverse reactions. For a standard batch, aim for about 2 teaspoons of grains per quart of milk, ensuring the jar has enough space for expansion. Once your grains are in the milk, cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. The fermentation process usually takes between 12 and 36 hours. You will notice the milk thickening and developing a tangy aroma. When it reaches your preferred consistency and sourness, strain the kefir through a plastic sieve to separate the grains from the fermented milk. After straining, you can enjoy your kefir immediately or opt for a second fermentation to enhance its flavor and fizziness. For this step, ensure the kefir grains have been removed. Transfer the strained kefir to a clean jar with a tight-fitting lid. Now is the perfect time to add flavorings such as fresh fruit, a pinch of cinnamon, or a touch of maple syrup. Let it ferment for another 6 to 48 hours at room temperature, tasting periodically until it reaches your desired flavor and carbonation. Once your kefir is ready, store the finished product in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. For your kefir grains, if you are taking a short break, simply place them in a small amount of fresh raw milk in a sealed jar in the refrigerator for up to 1 month, changing the milk every 1 to 2 weeks. For longer storage, rinse and gently dry your grains, then freeze them with a bit of powdered milk. They can last up to 6 months this way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.